Imagine this. The Galaxy S26 Ultra hasn't even officially hit the stage yet, and it's already trending for the wrong reason. A clean, perfectly straight, bright green vertical line running across the display, and the internet immediately split into two sides. Fake, AI-generated, camera glitch, edited overlay. But what if it's none of those? Let's break this down properly. A user posted multiple real-life images of the Galaxy S26 Ultra showing a bright green vertical line stretching from top to bottom of the display. Not curved, not flickering, not distorted, just a sharp, clean line. Almost too perfect to be real. At first glance, I'll be honest, it does look suspicious. The line is so straight, it almost looks digitally added. And even known tech users publicly questioned whether this was AI-generated or manipulated. But here's where things get interesting. Instead of disappearing or ignoring the backlash, the user responded confidently. He shared more images, different angles, different lighting conditions, even close-up shots. And then he did something very smart. He turned on Samsung's privacy display feature. Now, for those who don't know, privacy display is designed to limit viewing angles. When you look at the phone from the side, the screen dims and content becomes harder to see. If this green line were software overlay, UI glitch, wallpaper bug, or some type of visual artifact, it should behave differently when the privacy filter activates. It should fade, distort, disappear, or at least shift. But it didn't. The green line remained clearly visible even at off angles where the rest of the display content became dim. That's a huge detail because that behavior points away from software and directly towards something deeper. This looks like a panel-level anomaly. Most likely, we're looking at a stuck pixel column or a failed sub-pixel line within the AMOLED panel matrix. On OLED displays, each vertical line of pixels is controlled by a dedicated driver circuit. If one column fails or misfires, you get a straight, consistent vertical line exactly like this. And historically, this isn't new. We've seen similar cases on older OLED devices across multiple brands when a pixel driver line fails. The difference is, this is happening on what's supposed to be Samsung's most advanced flagship display yet. And that raises bigger questions. Is this an isolated defective unit? Is it early firmware interacting badly with new display hardware? Or is there a deeper yield issue with the new panel generation? Now, let's stay rational. One unit does not mean mass failure. Every year, early devices, especially pre-release or demo units, can show anomalies. Manufacturing yield on cutting-edge LTPO AMOLED panels is extremely complex. One misaligned transistor or voltage irregularity in the thin film layer can cause exactly this type of issue. But here's why this matters. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to introduce a new generation panel with improved brightness efficiency and possibly an upgraded privacy layer integration. If the privacy layer and OLED matrix aren't perfectly electrically synchronized, you could theoretically see edge case anomalies like this. Again, we are not confirming a widespread problem. We are analyzing what the evidence suggests. And right now, the evidence strongly leans toward hardware, not software. If it were software, a restart would likely remove it. Safe mode could change it. Display calibration reset might affect it. But the consistency across angles and lighting conditions? That's classic hardware behavior. Now, the real question is this just one unlucky device? Or the first sign of something bigger? Samsung's display division is known for industry-leading quality control. So, statistically, this is likely an isolated panel defect. But if more users begin reporting similar green line issues on the S26 Ultra in the coming weeks, then this becomes a serious conversation. Because a flagship at this level cannot afford early display controversies, especially not in 2026. So here's what I want to know from you. Do you think this is just one defective unit? Or could this be an early warning sign for the S26 Ultra display technology? Drop your thoughts below, and if more updates surface, you already know, I'll break them down first. Stay sharp.